Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to create a zip file on your PC or laptop. So here I have my desktop, and to create zip files we're going to need a program for this. It's completely free and it's called 7-Zip. Just open it up and click the download button. Now choose, well, in my case, the 64-bit version. And wait for it to download. Alright, so after that we get this X file, we open it, click yes. And then we need to install 7-Zip. Click Install and close. Now next we select the files we want to put into a zip archive. Let's say I want to do this with this text document. Alright, so we select it, right click and click Compress to Zip File or 7-Zip File. So we choose that. And here we have our zip file. There. And now we've created a zip file. Now 7-Zip is more professional in this regard. So here you can choose, the 7-Zip file format there. And it has a slightly different compression there. That's all for today. Hit like, subscribe to the channel. This was Weller. See you all later.